Each day, we work hard to make life more convenient and comfortable. It is the development of science and technology that connects people together. Because of the connection, we are more willing to get closer. While enjoying the comfort of modern life, we also want to share the happiness with everyone around us. From sowing to harvesting, from watering to washing, from manufacturing to innovating, each tiny change brings tremendous happiness to people's life. Because of intelligence, people have higher expectations for harvesting. Daily use of gas conveyance becomes safer and more reliable. Maybe you never notice it, but our solutions are making your daily life better. From an industrial leader in hose manufacturing to an energetic innovator in smart technology, we will carry on our dedication in hose manufacturing in the past 20 years and march towards the 4.0 industry era. With strong commitment in hose technology improvement, we are AGL Plastic. AGL owns an industrial park with an area of 105,000 square meters. Runs 68 automated production lines. And with state-of-the-art production technologies, we can produce 3,000 tons of products each month. AGL complies with international standards and provides our buyers with quality products and services. This is the basis of our future development. Our R&D team is comprised of experts in the industry. We are the leader of the industry in both product testing and development. All the products we provided are produced according to international standards and have obtained strong approval and appreciations from our clients, home and abroad. For over 20 years, we have been followed by our competitors, but never been surpassed. AGL Plastic works with renowned institutes at home and abroad in the form of combining production, education, and research to study on cutting-edge and environmentally friendly carbon-based fibers. Before long, PVC fragility in high temperature will no longer be a problem. 5-layer 4-stripe carbon fiber industrial level explosion-proof wind pressure pipe is made of rubber polymer composites, new generation carbon fibers, and imported PVC with co-extrusion technology. The flame retardancy level of the surface is up to UL 94 standard. Its pressure resisting value reaches 1900 psi. Its working temperature ranges from -40 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, making users well assured. We recruit talents and conduct skills training on a regular basis. AGL products are durable and can be used in all kinds of fields, including conveyance of fluids, gases, and powders in industry, agriculture, architecture, gardening, civil works, mining, and bathroom showering. We provide customers with competitive one-stop solutions for flexible hose. After years of hard work, we have established a mature sales network in China and become selected OEM producer for major big brands in the industry, including Black+Decker, Stanley, Fiskars, Bloom, Gilmore, and Craftsman. AGL also sell products in worldwide leading chains such as Home Depot, Walmart, and Lowe's. To win the trust and support of customers is our forever goal. This is what we want to deliver. This is what we are providing. This is what we want to do. This is our motivation. With strong commitment in hose technology improvement. We are AGL Plastic.